In April 8 and 9 we detected in our noble gas station in Takasaki, Japan, rather unusual detection of two radionuclides. They are xenon isotopes which can tell us pretty much about nuclear nature what we are measuring in the neighborhood.
Was there anything else in that one? I mean,
we detected xenon 131M and xenon 133. They are actually very characteristic for the fission, and that's why we use them for the verification. They provide us information about the nature of the nuclear event, and also provide us a clock or the timing when the fission has happened. This animation is showing you the forward modeling from this Korean test site location, and you see here very clearly that possible cloud coming from Korea is going over the station in Japan. DPRK announced a nuclear test in February, and after that we had clear indication in the seismic analysis about the location. We did now very precise atmospheric calculations, and based on that our recent noble gas detections correspond very well to the location of the seismic analysis as well. We have clear indication that we are detecting here a nuclear fission. However, we cannot differentiate if this is coming from uranium or plutonium. We had a primary detection in Takasaki, Japan. However, we have seen also smaller detections later on in a station in Ussurgisk in Russian Federation. Primary detection in Japan was really good and clear, and with higher concentration than others. It has been a long time since the event, but it only means that whatever has been there is possibly well contained. Isotopes what we detected are very specific for the nuclear processes that contain fission. Fission is the one that happens in the nuclear weapon testing, and it's also something that happens in the reactors. We have very high confidence on the detections what we have. However, we are still working on to see and narrow down if other possible sources are affecting this detection as well. So far, we haven't seen any other proof on any other leakage from nuclear facilities or something else which could explain this one.